Well, good evening.
Very good evening, Ruby. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking me. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Thank you for asking. So, Ruby, we are meeting first time. So, would you give me your introduction?
Of course, definitely. So, my name is Ruby Charasia, and I'm speaking to you from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done post graduation in political science, and in addition, I have a bachelor of education as well. And comes to my hobbies, so I love reading books, and apart from that, I love to talk with strangers from diverse culture, diverse background, and diverse profession too. And yeah, I have a YouTube channel where I upload some videos regarding spoken English so I can learn this language flawlessly. Yeah, that's all about from my side.
Yeah, good to hear you. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Varsha and I hail from snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently
Okay.
reside in Punjab with my family. And being a language fiend, I have started my YouTube channel based on conversational videos. So yeah, that's all about me. Okay, so Ruby, I have started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to start their journey. So my question is that when did you think about learning English and how did you start your journey?
Okay, so I have been learning this language. It has been approx 1 year. Okay, and which kind of method I am following? If you're asking about, so earlier days I used to take classes. There's a platform, really famous platform. We can say English Yari. Earlier days I used to take classes over there, like 3 to 4 months, and after that I shifted here, like a Skype. From that day till now, I'm trying to talk to strangers because this is the perfect method I can say for learning this language. Because I believe that speaking comes from speaking. Like if we are learning a lot of stuff like grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary, but if we are not speaking, so how it's possible we can learn this language? So nowadays I'm following like a natural method, like how we did learn our mother tongue, like listening and speaking. So I follow these two pillars. We know that there are four pillars, like reading, speaking, writing, and listening. But nowadays I am following two methods, like listening and speaking, because I believe that it's a perfect method. Yeah, it depends person to person, but I believe in this method. So I try to listen more and more, and whatever I'm listening, I'm trying to speak with learners. Yeah, like audio call as well as video call. And nowadays I love to talk to strangers. So most of the time I do this kind of strategies for learning this language. Yes.
Okay. So what was your first step? Like how did you start? Like with grammar or with short sentences or watching any listening podcast or watching cartoons? What was the first step towards learning English?
Okay, so I
Because I think in English, Yari, they don't teach grammar portion like this. There is only a
separately.
speaking portion, right? Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
how did you start?
Yeah, you are absolutely right. I mean, if you are like, if I'm talking about like English Yari, so where they didn't teach like grammar separately. First, it depend on like which type of like problems speakers are facing. It depend on like I said, like a depend learners to learners. But if you're asking about me, so I started like a listening. Yeah, I listen a lot. Still, I am listening. Yeah, I can say now I'm quite good listener. Earlier days I was not, so I listen a lot, like a stories, and I can say conversational videos and podcast. Yeah, still I'm listening because listening is must. Without listening, it's not possible. If like a there is a two CC, like consumption and creation. If we are consuming lot and lot, then we can speak. So I believe. So earlier days I also used to do this kind of thing. I try to listen more and more. Yeah, like stories, some stories, podcast, and bit grammar. Yeah, bit grammar is also important. I know that without grammar is not possible. So bit grammar is important. Don't think like that. We have to learn everything like at the same time. If we are doing this kind of thing, so maybe we are creating a lot of rush in our mind. So I don't believe this thing. Bit grammar plus speaking, learning and speaking. So we can learn this language. Yeah. So still I'm just following
Yeah,
the same thing.
that's great. Yeah, that's great. And what about vocabulary? How do you learn vocabulary, and how do you use that vocabulary in your communication skill on every day? Or like sometimes, we are learning fancy words, but we are not able to use that word in our communication skill. So definitely we should learn those words that we can use easily in our communication skills. So how do you learn vocabulary and use that vocabulary?
Yes, of course. Vocabulary is also really, really important. See, we have a lot of passive vocabulary rather than active vocabulary. We know that lot of vocabulary, but still we are facing. Even I'm also facing a lot of problem regarding vocabulary. So I do like nowadays. I love to read articles and stories. So whenever I encounter a new word, so I try to use those kind of word while communication. Earlier days, I did like this kind of mistake. Like I ran to words like very fascinating and very like advanced word. Then I realized if I don't use this kind of words, how it's possible I can learn like a very advanced vocabulary, very fascinating vocabulary. So nowadays I don't do this kind of thing. Nowadays I am stick with like a basic plus like intermediate, like this kind of vocabulary, and I make sure whatever I learn, I have to use with learners, like one word, two words, whatever. Yeah, I make sure because if we have a lot of vocabulary and we are not using those kind of vocabulary, how it's possible? So repeating those like some vocabulary, whatever I learned. Like I made a group on WhatsApp where I'm only the person. If I encounter any new words, I just copy from there and paste here. And at night, I just repeat whole sentence. I mean whole word. Yeah, like 5, 10, whatever I just come across, I do this kind of things for learning vocabulary. And if I talk to like a strangers, of course, every day I learn new vocabulary. Yeah, yes. So I do this kind of thing.
Yeah, and nowadays there are so many like synonyms that we can use while we are learning. So you can
Mm,
pick up according to you for your pronunciation as well, because it is also a major part while we are speaking
yes,
pronunciation. So we can choose at least one or two synonyms. That because we have sufficient vocabulary, but we are not able to use that vocabulary or in a better manner while we are
yes,
conversing with anyone. So that is the main challenge. Okay, so that's great. Like we can learn vocabulary, but whenever we will speak, and I can say that deliberately we have to use that vocabulary in our communication skills, that we can use that vocabulary and then we can learn. Otherwise, there is no use to learn new
yes.
words at
Mm,
a time. Okay, so that's great. And what about pronunciation? Because while we are speaking, so pronunciation is also
mm,
a major role, play a major role, and about voice modulation as well. Because sometimes we are
yes.
speaking in a same voice modulation, and it doesn't
Mm.
look good. So how do you work on your pronunciation as well?
Okay, for pronunciation, we can follow the shadowing method. Yeah. So we can learn like how we can work on our rate of speech. Yeah, sometimes very flat if we are just following the same speech. So we have to use there's a we can say like non-verbal communication. How you can use your body language, your movement, your hand gestures is also play a really crucial role. Like if I'm just saying like very flat, so it will sound very monotonous. So we have to use, of course. And for learning like a shadowing method is also really important. If any person he or she is using shadowing method like a 1 or 2 months, so that person can see some changes. Yeah. Earlier days I used to do, but nowadays I don't do because I have some other work, so that's the reason. But yeah, earlier day I used to do. Still I do, but I am not consistent if I talk about shadowing method. Yeah. If any person he or she work on like pronunciation, because pronunciation we can there's a mother tongue influence because we have some different kind of accent. So that's the reason. If we know about exact
Yeah,
pronunciation, so it sounds very like captivating. So of course we should work on like pronunciation and how we can sound very confident, very well. Yeah, it's also really really important. I know. Yeah, so we can do
it's
shadowing method.
important.
Hmm.
Because sometime wheneever you are speaking, so our mother tongue influence, it shows that okay, we are from that place. Like some
Hmm.
people they speak like sh, sir. So doesn't
Yes.
matter that you are speaking like, but sh and sir, it's important
Hmm.
because I'm also a trainer, and I have also my startup. So there were I hire freelancers. So there was a freelancer trainer. She was like the pronunciation mistakes were sh or sir. I didn't realize at that time. And whenever she was taking a class, so in that class there was a girl. Her name was Riyanshi, and the teacher was pronouncing, "Hey Riyanshi, what are you doing?" So I was thinking, oh my god, like some
Yes.
students are very clever that, okay, ma'am, my name is Riyanshi and you are speaking like Riyanshi.
Okay.
So it
Yes.
doesn't look
Yes.
better. So this is like pronunciation. So yeah, Ruby, so nice to talk to you, and thank you for giving your valuable ideas. So final tip, do you want to give our co-learner who are just thinking about learning English but they are not starting their journey? So final tip that you can give them that at least they can start their journey.
Okay, if any person he or she is thinking how we can start this language, so we should first of all ask with ourselves why we are learning. If you know that why we are learning, so you can easily start without facing a lot of difficulties. So yeah, we should start without thinking a lot because we are the creator of our life. People just give you piece of advice. No one will help us, accept us. So we should start without thinking a lot. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm saying this.
definitely. So I can say that in the end of this session that why should be clear, your goal
Hmm.
should be clear, and definitely consistency is the key of success, and practice as much as you can. Yeah, thank you, Ruby,
Hmm.
and nice to talk to you. Definitely we'll meet again and we create
Yes.
another video.
Yeah, yeah. Bye bye. Take care. It was great